So now we're going to take a look at how you could create a simple symbol-based logo. But before we move on to the actual logo project, let's try a really simple exercise where we take an image, in this case I've got the picture of a hanging basket, and see how many different ways you can actually simplify that to make an icon or a symbol. So first we might start off and look and think, how can we make that plant bit at the top? How can we simplify that and make some sort of shape? So maybe for the first option, I'd do some sort of squiggly line for the plant top, and then underneath it's got like a wiry hanging basket. So perhaps I could make 3 sections that represented that, and then maybe I'd exaggerate the chains and make them 2 simple slopey lines with a little circle on the top. So perhaps try another one. Maybe this time the hanging basket piece could be a simple semicircle. Make some scrolls for the plant piece, and then 2 simple straight lines with a circle for the chain and the loop at the top. You can carry this on. So next one, perhaps the plant could be separate little leaves, a sort of split semicircle so it's not complete, almost like a line, and then this time perhaps 3 lines represent the chain at the top and a loop. So what I suggest you do is either use the image I've used or pick an image of your own choice, whether it's one you have at home or one that you find online, and see how many different ways you can sketch taking that the image, simplify it, and how you can make different symbols from it.